What are you doing with the camera in front of me?
But
What done yet? Oh, want to put away the biscuits now?
No.
Give us, mommy.
y'all are spoiling this child. Sy
No.
kry nie so baie biscuits en goed by my huisie.
Is reg, sy kom hier toe. Sy hier kom as sy biscuits is, dan kan sy weer gaan klippe eer hebben, joh.
Sy eet die klippe nie.
Ek weet pas dat jy sê sy nog nie biscuits eet nie.
No, she can't have free range so a whole box of biscuits
Sy
like
gaan
that.
nou sy wat net wat sy wil hê en as sy klag hier, dan gaan ek het tegen sit. Hoekom kry jy hier pyn?
Because my oma only let us have 1 of 3 biscuits. Now you're just giving Gemma the whole tray.
Sy was my grandchild. En is ook nie jou besig ek dit. Praat bietjie jy mos net.
My point is this grandmothers, this generation's grandmothers aren't grandmothering the way we were
Ek
grandmothers.
stel nie belang in grandmothering wat gedoen het. Dit is my huis en dis my grandmother nou. Ek worry nie wie gedoen waar gedoen nie.
Y'all are out of the road as grandparents.
Ek is niks met hy ou dit se ou mense te doen en los van my huis.
You even letting her play with the biscuits.
As reg is was my kant se wat.
No, wie gaan nou hy biscuits eet wat sy saam gespeel het?
En dit toe maak hulle blik.
Ons gaan verstek miskien nie so drink. Jy sê ding baie
Ek wag net vir hy kop om agter toe te gaan en klap ek hom vorentoe. Wat meer is jy hier besig?
Cronenbergs.
Wie's Cronenbergs? Kierin is julle reg en julle kop in?
Net weet jy, kan ons reg in hulle koppe by
Oh, nou gaan dit
Where do you see Cronenberg?
No man, she just gave it a Rick and Morty name. It's not called Cronenberg.
I was so confused the whole time with drinking this.
Jy sou net goed gaan soek in Pretoria en
And you would have asked for Cronenberg.
I know the
I
bottle.
can't pronounce this name, so I just said Cronenberg. This is our new favorite. Shout out Naki. I was supposed to film you making the dip.
En nou? Nee, I taal in oorma.
No.
You can
What?
film me making my dessert.
Oh, nobody cares. Everyone wants Mama Bear's recipes, not yours.
Okay, ek sal weer na maak.
I was really trying hard to be rude, so thank you.
Rude.
What are you doing with the camera in front of me?
But you keep on chipping in, so I thought you wanted some
So it's
airtime.
done. I'm just having appetizer. No smoothies like certain people.
She wasn't here for that shade. Kara is busy making some chocolate dessert she saw on TikTok. It's like a mousse vibe. Make it with chocolate and ultra milk. Shout out to this content creator here. Okay, you're gonna have to mention the name. Maybe.
Ina, wat gaan hier aan? Should we sit on Why are you beating me on this
Can I give you a gift terug?
Ooh, halala. Gaan man. Jy nou missing. Waar op die
Okay.
Yes.
I knew it! I knew it! You were gaslighting me! I knew it! What is that, guy? It's my slippery cross! You're gaslighting me!
Last night, Cara told me that that's what he thinks that he bought her.
Guys! Look at the chip!
Can I see?
Good job with the chickens package explain. You're pig. What did they explain? We are, like I was showing the followers, look. It's very bougie. Why did you say it's going to drink?
I know.
Belly professionele loop man. Ek gaan nie. Belly vrou. So nee, ek gaan saam nou hier toe terug aan Joburg toe nou.
Mommy, you can't leave Trisley in the lurch. You know, already agreed.
Ek wil net sê,
All jokes aside.
ek wil nou net sê all jokes aside. Die regte ding vir jou was om die foon te sê aan, dat ek eers my ma vra. Jy kan nie net sê nie my ma is so nie. Bekkie loop oor van Danbury.
Everybody knows you here.
Ja, maar
Everybody
jy
knows
het
you here.
ons gevra dat kan ek oor
That's not even a lie.
Yeah.
Look back. Look back. Tilt your head back.
No, but mommy moet achtertoe kyk. Nou kyk mommy net.
Yeah. Kijk achtertoe. Ja, so. Then she won't burn you. I'm speaking from experience, mom. Especially you always use a blow dry my hair.
Of ek môre nie net wat net is man. Dat ek plus gesin my kop aan man. Wat is serious so?
Wat is hier?
Hier wat jy net op aan dit.
Ja, because I as ik vrees heb dat jy op plek lê. Jy moet plek lê.
Especially, why are your nails pink?
Hey?
Why are your nails pink?
When I'm going to throw my life, I always make my
Nee, nog om nonsens praat nie.
I do.
Nee, nie kom traumas nog van sit nie.
Look at this prom I'm going to. You think this is easy, blow drying? Okay, you see the mensen toch? Someone that had no respect for our hair.
Orta so die hande is wel triggers my man. Why do you throw the brush away?
Blame it on the alcohol.
As jy nog een keer my kop oplig, gaan jy soon toe wy.
Ma.
What is it, Kirian? Leave me, man. Can you see the kind of something is on it?
Trauma, call it trauma.
Your hair is almost done, man.
And
away we go. Splashing in the water. I call you. I call you. Where's your manners? Take it out and that's for you. Go eat your food. Oh, Granny Gray. We all want to play. Oh, Granny Gray. We all want to play. We won't go near the riverside to take the ducks away. Oh, may we go? Splashing in the water. I call you. I call you. Where's your manners? Take it out and that's for you. All done. Oh, Granny Gray. We all want to play. Oh, Granny Gray. We all want to play. We won't go near the riverside to take the ducks away. Nee, men nie so kyk nie. Op Sondag. Jo. Ek voel glad aan die brand nou. Nee, wat gaan aan?
would you take a pill open out of
Maar ek is al die jare gee ek vir jou medisyne jy.
you always
Ons is om met ons 'n package vir julle gevoer.
you always put it on something
Nee, ek het nie nou lus gehad om te put it on something. Jy moet nie vir my nonsens vra want jy strak met die hele middag al strak geword van dit jy daar sing op.
But if
Wat
I would
loop.
put my hand like that on my hand,
Jy gaan vanaand in die lounge en lê jy gaan nie langs aan my lê
the
nie.
other night you got irritated because Kenny Ann carried the bread in her hand.
Moenie my vir my kom questions vra en goeters sê net Tracy, ek is baie geïrriteerd met jou.
Teacup from us if there's no sauce.
Maar laat dit net gaan op die wetboeke. Ek sal nooit weer vir jou niks gee nie, Tracy. Not even met 'n pirring, not even met my hand, not even met my tone, because jy het my geïnsult nou. Jy net so ver van my kom en van my kom staan en tamteer nie so. Nee, sê dankie, ek het vir jou medisyne gegee. Al het ek vir jou met vader gegee. My hand is nog nie vuil nie.
But if the roles were reversed,
Ek stel nie belang van die roles nou nie.
you would never take a medication.
Ek stel nie belang van die roles nou nie. Al wat ek weet is jy van nou af gaan jy jou eie liggaam optel en vir jou goede gaan haal soos jy dit wil hê en dit op treë sit. Jy gaan nie vir my rondstuur nie. Nee, toe ek haar rustig sit, toe vra jy my kan ek nie stil sit nie, want toe wil jy lekker lê. Nee, jy is mal. Jy die jou naggekelle wenda, weet jy vanaf kom nou, kom ook, jy voel onrustig hier by my. Jo. Nee, want ek was baie die hele nou vir jou, ek wil so my nou huis toe gaan.
You can't go. Ek het net een bed, julle moet saam slaap.
Sy gaan nie by my lê, of ek gaan nie in die lounge lê. Kan 'n mens nou uitgekleer wat sê, ek het die goede gedoen, wat jy vanaf kom. So nee, jy sien jy die goede wat ek met my doen nie hele middag. As hy nou wil water hê, dan gaan hy vir water. As hy nou wil die hê, dan val hy. Nou omdat ek nou net die pilletjie uit die packaging uit gehaal, want sy is besig. Wil sy nie die pil hê nie? Vra vir my, is my hande skoon? Vra vir my, nou wat ek nog gekrap?